Do you understand a day-old joke?
Look, she has worn a sari.
A sari?
Yeah, just look at her, how she's dressed. Now look what this sari does.
Meet Hira Sanyal.
Hello.
Hi.
She can be very useful.
Come on, KK.
That is the truth. If Hira decides to do something, the job gets done anyhow.
She just takes advantage of her beauty. That's all. Nothing else.
Why shouldn't I? If I'm beautiful, so be it.
But to me, she is only a friend.
You're progressing in Hindi. Good.
KK,
Ah,
you won't introduce me to your daughter,
meet Rajiv Joshi, the owner of ADC channel.
young lady.
Big man. Yeah,
Welcome to the party.
of course. Well, I must say one thing. These affluent people know only other affluent people. She is Hira Sanyal, right? But who is next to her?
That's Rajiv Joshi, media mogul. I've heard that news reaches him before something even happens. All these are big fish.
And Anushka? What fish is she? Huh?
Jellyfish. Looks really appealing, but when you get stung by it, then... Mr. Sweetie, when these affluent people introduce their children, then what do they say?
Look, I don't know about them. My father would introduce me as a useless, illiterate brat.
Your father at least introduces you. My father doesn't even do that. This party is so grand, but he didn't bother to even introduce me. It won't humiliate him.
Hey, even he's here. The defeated tiger.
It seems he hasn't forgotten his defeat yet. You keep an eye on him, and I will keep my eyes on someone else.
Anushka, I have met a lot of people, but I haven't seen a strong-hearted man like your father. Look, the airline deal isn't even announced, but he's still through the party.
Yeah.
Wow, that is confidence.
Truly. Mom, Anushka, she looks lovely today.
Yes, very pretty.
But why is she wearing a sari? She could have worn a dress or gown.
What's so bad about a sari? She looks so beautiful.
Can I go and meet Anushka?
No, not now. Look, she's with Mr. KK and she's quite busy. You can meet her later.
Dad, you don't mind if I borrow my sister for a while?
What?
I was about to thank Siddhant, so come along. Come, Anu. Come.
Brother, why do I have to go?
Anu, he's your friend too. Come.
What?
You're looking gorgeous, dear.
Thank you.
Shall we? Time to raise a toast for Siddhant.
Shall we?
No. You guys carry on. My friends are waiting for me.
Okay. Come on, let's go. Hey, Mac, Eddie, come here. This is Siddhant Sinha, because of whom this grand party is thrown. Or else, trust me, there would have been bloodshed today. Let's have some shots. What's it? Hey, a round of shots for everyone?
Brother, I won't drink.
I can have her share. I deserve to be thrilled.
All right then. Here you go. Take one. For you. So, this calls for a toast, and this night is dedicated to Siddhant Sinha. Everyone, cheers.
Cheers!
Okay, for one more.
Ow!
What happened, Siddhant?
My beloved broke my heart. So I tried to commit suicide last night.
You and suicide. That's very strange. In fact, you might take a few people with you before you die. I saw you in action in court the other day.
You must have told my father about all this, right?
What do you think? Excuse me.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू